Hello everyone. Do you know who I am? Yes, you're right. I am the witch. But I am not a bad witch. I am a good witch. Do you want some pumpkin? Do you want some soft toys? Wait. I will give you. Here it is. Thank you. Teachers, principals and all my dear friends. My name is Aradhya Swapnil Gaikwad from Standard 3rd 29. Today is our fancy dress competition and today I am a fairy. Do you know what is fairy? Fairy means a small creature with wings and some magical powers. In movies, we have also seen Tooth Fairy. Tooth Fairy means that when children lose one of the baby teeth, they should place it under the pillow or the beside table. Tooth Fairy will visit while they are sleeping, replacing the lost tooth with a small amount of rupee. But today I am not a tooth fairy. I have only dressed like a fairy. Focus, 1, 2, 3. Oh, now time to leave. Bye kids. Meet you soon.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, madam. Good morning, all my dear friends. Pari dialogue. I am a little fairy. I am so beautiful. I shine so bright. I have beautiful wings. I live in the sky. I live you happiness and joy. I love everyone. I am the friend of all. Children like me. I like children very much. Thank you.
मैं हूँ कोरोना की वैक्सीन। ये है कोरोना जिससे लाखों लोगों की जान गई है। इसीलिए आप भी जल्दी से कोरोना की वैक्सीन लगाइए ताकि हम कोरोना को हरा सके। थैंक यू।
My name is Kushal Doshi. I am studying 4th standard. My school name is St. Mary English High School. Today I am Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Do not use plastic bag. It is very harmful. Please use paper bag. Paper bag is made from nature. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Please use paper bag. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Nidhi Mahesh Hotar. I study in 5th A class. Do you know who I am? I am a little mermaid. My name is Sophia. I live in deep blue sea. Seahorse and dolphins are my best friends. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nissan Miss Anigo. Today I am going to talk about healthy food and junk food. What if I gave you apple and a burger? Of course, you will choose a burger. These junk food are too much yummy but not good for our tummy. Whenever people enjoy special time with their family, such as birthday parties, anniversaries, etc., they are called for burger, french fries, ice cream, pizza, samosas, cakes, chocolates and other varieties of fast foods. People should realize that junk food is always harm to us. It leads diabetes, hypertension, and obesity, etc. On other hand, the healthy food is one that gives us nutrition to keep our cells fit and active. Example: apple, roti, banana, cheese, egg, capsicum, brinjal are all healthy foods. A healthy food gives us vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, etc. It also gives us energy and nutrition. It makes us healthy and strong. So friends, avoid junk food and stay healthy. Also friends, remember one thing: do not waste food. Give access to poor and needy people.
भाजी टरटरी भाजी या काकडी या काकडी हिरवी हिरवी काकडी फ्लावर या फ्लावर हिरवा हिरवा ताजा ताजा फ्लावर शिमला घ्या वांगा घ्या टोमॅटो घ्या बटाटा घ्या कांदा घ्या बोला काय पाहिजे हां टोमॅटो 50 रुपये किलो कांदा 60 रुपये किलो बटाटा 50 रुपये किलो.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, all my dear friends. My name is Sirtha Samir Vaingankar. My standard is 5th C. I am a Kolin. भावरं घ्या भावरं. नमस्कार. ओळखलं का मला? मी कोलीन बाई. मी मुंबईच्या कोलीवाड्याशी भावरं घेऊन आलोय. ताजं भावरं आहे. पापलेट आहे, सुरमई आहे, बोंबील आहे. मी हाय कोली सोरीला डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी. आम्ही कोली लोक नागली पौर्णिमेला खूप धमाल करतो, नाचतो गातो, खूप धमाल करतो. अगं बाई विसरलीच. चला चला लय उशीर झालाय, भावरं विकायचं आहे मला. थँक्यू.
My dear friends, my name is Mansi Gandhi. My standard is 5th C. My roll number is 45. I am a doctor. I work in hospital. My work is to treat sick people. And I have a device. It's called stethoscope. It is around my neck. It used to check the heartbeat of peoples. And I wear a white coat. And I give a medicine to the people who want it. And I also give a injection. Now there was coronavirus, so please wear your mask and put a sanitizer on your hand and wash your hands. Thank you, teacher.
हिंदू धर्माचे रक्षण करणारे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज व प्रतापवीर संभाजी महाराज यांना या दोन छत्रपतींना घडवणाऱ्या आदर्श राजमाता म्हणजे जिजाबाई भोसले. राजमाता जिजाऊ यांचे पूर्ण नाव जिजाबाई सहाजी भोसले असे आहे. जिजाबाई यांना आपण जिजामाता, जिजाऊ, राजमाता, महासाहेब इत्यादी नावाने बोलतो.
My name is Ananya Palande from 6th B, roll number 39. On this fancy dress competition, I am being the Miss World of 2021. That's why today I'm going to say few lines on Miss World. Miss World is the oldest of currently active beauty pageant in the world. This pageant was founded in the United Kingdom in the year 1951. This event of Miss World is organized for women of the world annually. The contest is broadcast broadcast over television, with the first broadcasting in 1959 by BBC. The contest is organized by the Miss World organization based in the United Kingdom. The contestant of Miss World have to go through event Miss World Beach Beauty with a purpose, talent and top models. The contestant who pass this event land into the quarter of semi-finals of the Miss World. This Miss World organization also works for the underprivileged and disabled children charity. Retia Feria was the first India to become the Miss World 1966. India has won the pagement of Miss World 6 times in history. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Shalini Sabituri. I am from 6C. Today my topic is Mirabai. Mirabai was a great Bhakti sant, Hindu mystic, poet and a devotee of Lord Krishna. The bhajans she wrote many centuries ago are still sung by Krishna devotees all over the world. However, her life is equally inspiring from another point of view. Thank you.
Good afternoon, dear teachers and friends. My name is Sarve Santosh Desai. I am studying in 6C. Today, I am a traffic signal. Traffic rules. Keep left. Stop at red light. Be ready at yellow light. Go only when light is green. Cross road only at zebra crossing. Always walk.
Ananya Pandey. I am from 6C. I am going to speak about Radha. Hi, I am Radha. I am also called as Radhika. I love Krishna. We play, sing and dance together. We always help each other. People call us Radha Krishna. I am avatar of Lakshmi and is also described of chief of Gopis. I am symbol of golden lotus. I was born in Barsana, Rawal, Uttar Pradesh. In Sanskrit, term Radha means prosperity, success, perfection and wealth. Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Radhe 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 Krishna. Thank you.
And all my friends. Myself, Ved Kadam from standard 7A. My roll number is 11. Today I have become Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889. He was a secular humanist, social democrat and author who was a central figure in India during the middle third of the century. Nehru was the principal leader of the Indian independence movement in the 1930s and 1940s. Upon India's independence in 1947, he served as the country's Prime Minister for 17 years. He died on 27 May 1964.
Good afternoon, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Harsh Mahesh Gotar. I study in class 7A. My topic name is Snowman. I am a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my broom and here is my hat. Whenever there is cold outside, I like to play, but when sun comes out, I melt away. Thank you.
Teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Atul Sunil Bhagre, Standard 7, Division B, roll number 3. Did you notice me? Who I am? I am a social media. Because of me, people can connect with each other in few seconds. I am a huge source of importance and evolution. All around the world during a lockdown, people could do their work from home. Because of me, people can earn a money. Because of me, people create their own identity on various social media platforms.
various social media platforms and made a money. This proves that if you use me correctly, then I can become your good and best friend. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी जवाहरलाल मोतीलाल नेहरू. मला लोकांनी पंडित ही उपाधी दिली. स्वतंत्र भारताचा पहिला पंतप्रधान होण्याचे मला मान मिळाले. माझा जन्म 14 नोव्हेंबर 1889 रोजी अलाहाबाद मध्ये झाला. मी पेशाने वकील होतो. मी विदेशी वस्तूंचा त्याग केला आणि स्वदेशी वस्तूंचा स्वीकार केला. 1955 मध्ये मला भारतरत्न पुरस्कार मिळाला. मला मुले खूप आवडायची म्हणून माझा जन्म बाल दिवस म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. सर्व मुलांना माझ्याकडून बाल दिवसाचे खूप शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
मी आहे मराठी मुलगी आणि हा आहे माझा मराठी पेहराव नऊवारी साडी. नऊवारी साडी म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राची शान. नऊवारी साडी म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राची परंपरा. जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी.
Good morning everyone, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Agrim Pandey. Today, can you guess me? I am Milkman. I keep your favorite drink in your house. Before you wake, it's milk. I give cows milk to each and every of you in the morning. My farmhouse has 4 cows and I all love them. Calcium and strength to the bones, rich in protein and fight multiple disease. Overall, consuming of glass of a milk improves our immunity system. So get milk from me every day and increase your strength. दूध ले लो, दूध ले लो. दूध का सार है मलाई में, दूध का सार है मलाई में, जिंदगी का सार है भलाई में, जिंदगी का सार है भलाई में. थैंक यू.
My name is Manji Rajesh Gone. I am Savitribai Phule. I was born on 3rd January 1831 in Naida village. I was an Indian social reformer, educationalist and poet from Maharashtra. I am regarded as the first female teacher for our India. I started first school for girls in Bhidewada at Pune. Educate girl, save girl. Thank you.
I am Anwar Jalgaonkar from 8th. Today I am made Ekvira Devi. Ekvira Devi is the lord of Kori persons and her temple is located at Lonavala. Thank you.
My name is Apeksha Satish. My topic name is Boli Machhi Wali. मच्छी 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 200ला 5 मच्छी. मच्छी मच्छी 100ला 2 पापलेट सुरमई बांगडा. मच्छी शिंपी मच्छी मच्छी.
नवराई माझी लाडाची ग, आघाडीला चंदाची ग. नवराई माझी लाडाची
dear teacher, sir, and madam. My name is Asmita Kanojia from 8B. Today I dressed up like a businesswoman. If you want to be successful, then be unique. Thank you.
Respected sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pranav Uday Pujari. I am studying in 8th standard A division. Today Children's Day celebration. I have made in dustbin. Dustbin is important in our daily life. We use dustbin for garbage. Always keep our home and environment clean. By using dustbin, we can keep our clean around the house. Should you keep India? It has stay healthy, stay safe. Use me. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.